Management of obstetrical urological emergencies. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Urological emergencies during pregnancy, though rare, can pose significant risks to both maternal and fetal health. Because of changes in the body during pregnancy, conditions like urinary tract infections UTIs, pyelonephritis, nephrolithiasis, hydronephrosis, and obstructive uropathy need to be carefully managed. This systematic review aims to evaluate the management strategies, diagnostic challenges, and clinical outcomes associated with urological emergencies in pregnant women. This study is an article review of existing peer-reviewed literature on the management of urological emergencies in pregnant women. The time of study is from October 2024 to March 2025. The extracted data were analyzed using tools such as the Cochrane Risk of Bias tool. A meta-analysis was performed. Various diagnostic techniques, including ultrasound and MRI, as well as treatment options, with a focus on ensuring maternal and fetal safety, were analyzed. The findings highlight the importance of a multidisciplinary approach and suggest recommendations for improving clinical practices in managing these emergencies. Minimally invasive interventions, including urethral stents and percutaneous nephrostomy, may offer safer alternatives to traditional surgical approaches. The review concludes with a call for standardized guidelines and further research into the long-term outcomes for both mother and fetus. Advancements in imaging technology, such as high-resolution ultrasound and MRI, can enhance early detection while minimizing risks to fetal development. The role of artificial intelligence and predictive analytics in diagnosing urological conditions during pregnancy should be explored to improve accuracy and efficiency. In addition to the early intervention, especially fetal minor invasive procedures would enhance its clinical relevance and impact. Introduction. Pregnancy causes many changes in a woman's body, especially in the urinary system, which can lead to problems like kidney infections, kidney stones, and bladder issues. These urological problems are common and sometimes serious, affecting both the mother and the baby. This review looks at how doctors can better identify and treat these conditions safely during pregnancy. It explores newer ways to diagnose and treat issues, including safe scans, blood and urine tests, and less invasive procedures. The review also highlights the importance of teamwork between different doctors, such as urologists and obstetricians, and the need for better education and updated guidelines. New tools like artificial intelligence may also help spot risks early. Healthy habits, early checkups, and more research are key to protecting both mother and baby. Understanding how pregnancy hormones affect the urinary system may lead to safer, more targeted treatments in the future. Conclusion. Although rare, urological emergencies during pregnancy can pose serious risks for both mother and baby and need quick and specialized care. Pregnancy causes natural changes in the body that can make diagnosing and treating these issues more difficult. To ensure the best outcomes, it's important that different medical experts, like urologists and obstetricians, work together. New technologies, such as advanced ultrasound and MRI scans, can help doctors detect problems early without harming the baby. Using artificial intelligence may also help predict and diagnose these conditions more accurately. Less invasive treatments, such as placing small tubes to relieve pressure in the kidneys, could be safer options compared to traditional surgery. More long-term studies are needed to understand how these conditions affect kidney health and future pregnancies. Better research, updated guidelines, and careful planning can help protect the health of both mothers and their babies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.